Here is how you can change the app layout on the Apple Watch. Let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important. So, of course, your Apple Watch, when you get inside like the apps view, can have like two options of showing the apps. It can either be the list view or a grid view. Grid view are where these like icons are showing up, but you can get to the bottom entirely and switch from the grid to the list view, where every single app will be like sorted alphabetically into this list, and you can scroll through it and find your apps perhaps easier. I don't know, people prefer one option over the other, but you can switch between them like here. Or you can also go to the watch app of the iPhone, where you can as well go to the app view and switch between the grid as well as the list. The list isn't editable because as I said, it's sorted alphabetically, but the grid, you can click on the arrangement and literally rearrange your icons as much as you want. We still have to stick to a grid. Like in the older versions of the Apple Watch, we had the ability to even like set up custom shapes of icons and perhaps put them into like one line or whatever, but we don't have that many options anymore. We only have this grid, but you can reorganize it as much as you want and end up with a perfect layout. Of course, as I said, you can always switch to the list view, especially if you want to quickly find an app, because there they are sorted alphabetically. So that is how you can do it. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.